Welcome back. This Build.Collaborate AI education series lesson will focus on legal and research, powered by artificial intelligence. Research and legal AI tools are software applications that use artificial intelligence technology to assist in research and legal tasks. These tools can perform a wide range of tasks such as conducting legal research, reviewing and analyzing documents, predicting case outcomes, and identifying legal risks. Here are 10 ways that legal and research AI tools can help your content business. Use case number 1, data analysis. Data analysis is a crucial part of research, but analyzing large amounts of data can be time-consuming and difficult. Data analysis tools powered by AI can help researchers quickly and accurately analyze vast amounts of data, allowing them to identify trends and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Use case number 2, natural language processing. Unstructured data such as text and speech can be challenging to analyze, but AI-powered natural language processing tools can help researchers extract meaning and insights from these sources. Using these tools, researchers can rapidly and effectively analyze massive amounts of unstructured data. Use case number 3, sentiment analysis. Understanding public opinion and sentiment is essential for many types of research, and AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can help researchers do just that. AI-powered tools have the ability to analyze the sentiment of a significant number of people, offering valuable insights into the public's opinion and emotions about a particular topic or issue. Use case number 4, image recognition. Analyzing and categorizing large volumes of images can be challenging, but AI-powered image recognition tools can help researchers do this quickly and accurately. Researchers can identify visual trends and patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. Use case number 5, prediction and forecasting. Predicting future trends and outcomes is an important part of many types of research, and AI-powered tools can help researchers do this with greater accuracy and efficiency. By analyzing historical data and other factors, these tools can provide valuable insights that can inform decision-making. Use case number 6, language translation. Accessing a wide range of resources and insights often requires the ability to read and understand multiple languages. Language translation tools powered by artificial intelligence can help researchers translate documents and other materials quickly and accurately, enabling them to access a wider range of resources and insights. Use case number 7, legal research platforms. Lawyers and legal professionals often need to search through vast amounts of legal data to find the information they need. AI-powered legal research platforms can help them do this quickly and efficiently, by using AI algorithms to analyze and search through vast amounts of legal data, and provide insights and recommendations. Use case number 8, document review and analysis tools. Analyzing legal documents for accuracy, inconsistencies, and potential risks is a time-consuming and challenging task. Document review and analysis tools can help lawyers and legal professionals do this more efficiently, saving them time and effort. Use case number 9, predictive analytics and case outcome tools. Predicting the likely outcome of a legal case is important for lawyers and legal professionals, but it can be a challenging task. Predictive analytics and case outcome tools can help them do this more accurately by analyzing past cases, legal decisions, and other data. Use case number 10, contract review and management tools. Reviewing and managing contracts can be a tedious and challenging task, but AI-powered contract review and management tools can help legal professionals do this more efficiently. These tools use AI to analyze and review contracts, identifying any potential legal risks and inconsistencies. Thank you for watching. We have come to the end of this lesson. Please download lesson number 10, where we discuss how AI tools can help with research and legal. Don't forget to check module number 2's landing page. We have published a list of tools you will find useful. The list is updated daily, so be sure to subscribe to our newsletter.